My girlfriend Shanti and I have been together for 5 years, but lately, things have not been as exciting as they once were. Babe, have you looked at the girls I sent you? Shanti recommended we invite a girl over to kind of spice things up a bit.
You're way cuter in person.
Hold up.
So.
Am I invisible? Shanti is being a little too interested in this new girl.
The pleasure is all mine.
I could use a drink. Do you guys want anything?
Yeah, sure.
I did something kind of horrible. I put some laxative in Shanti's juice to kind of teach her a lesson and just to stop the whole thing.
Thank you, babe.
Are you okay?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine.
You good?
Give me a sec. Serves you right.
Big up from me, watch it till the end. If you like it, tell a friend. Don't forget to hit